bud? Who's scared of goose? Okay, bud. Let's see if there's anything in here. You see the cows, eh? You see the cows? Are they running? You got a fish, bud. There's a fighter. What was that, bud, hey? What was that? Ooh, nice. Nice. Not a bad one, eh, bud? Think that's a good one? You got one tonight, that's good. Here it goes. Okay, let's go in. Look at the geese. Look at these. Go get them. Go get them. Go get them. This is my swamp. Oh wow, Milo, you attracted them. Milo, go get him. Go get him. Go get him. Go get him. Look, Milo, want some food? Look. Milo. Hey, look. Want some food? Want some food? Look, there it is. Hey. Come here. Milo. Here. You want another one? Another piece of food, look. Look. Go. Go in the water. Go get him. Go get him. Go get him. Go get him. Want a treat? Go get him. Go get him. Come here. Find you a stick. Get all the poop off you. Here, look. Milo, look. Hey, look. See it? It's out there. There it is. Go get it. Go get it. Yeah, you see it. Good boy. Did you get it? Milo, look. Hey, Milo. See it? There it is. Go get it. Oh, it's right to your right. You're almost there. To your left. To your left. Right there. There you go. Good boy. Come here. Come here. I'll have to wash you off, bud. Come here. Sit. Milo, sit. Sit. Hey, sit. Sit. Here. Sit. Sit. Oh, you're soaked. Getting me soaked, bud. You ready? Look. There it is. Good boy. Good boy. You're a wet Milo now, aren't you? Yeah. Come here. Get it off your collar. No, don't you dare shake it. Here, want a treat? The last two, because you're a good boy. Okay, good boy. Come on. Good boy. Yes. Shake, shake, shake. No, don't you dare jump on me. Milo, come here. Come here, you. So this is pretty nasty, but... Oh, he fell. Oh, there he is. Second tick on me today. Where are you, bud? So that's a tick. This is one of the harmless ticks, known as a dog tick. They won't do anything to you. They won't give you any diseases, but they're still nasty, and they'll still embed in your skin, which looks disgusting when they're fully engorged. So definitely still pick them off you. But the second one on me, it's a May 12th, and they're definitely out. So it's an early year for them, which sucks. And I'm gonna go flick this guy off me now.
Good job.
Go.
Move! Go, Odin! That is pure joy.
Oh, look at the divot you just made. Yeah. Lovely. Yeah. There goes my padding.
Oh, Milo!
Milo!
Milo! And Storm. You don't need to hurt. Put the brakes on right now.
Oh, they're gonna go down.
That's it. Give her. I want to see how long it takes.
Oh.
I still got the uncoordinated baby legs. He's got way more spring in his trot now. Look at that. They might go down more if we walk.
Whoa, Storm just took off.
Like if we go down here.
Storm! No!
Let's go, Ember!
Storm! No! You're not allowed down there. Come on, get over here.
Hey, bud. You done?
Hey, Jody.
Set your pop bottle. Come here. Come here. Stay. Sit. Ember, sit. 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 A. No. Sit. Sit. Speak. Ember, speak. Speak. Sit. No. Ember, sit. Hey, stop it. Sit. Ember. Hey. Speak. No, sit. 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 Speak. No, sit. Ember, sit. Oh my gosh. Sit. 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 Speak. Milo, it's okay. I don't have anything. Okay, sit. Milo, sit. Ember, sit. Ember, sit. Sit. Watch. No, okay. Ember, sit. Watch Milo. Ready? Milo, speak. Good boy. See? And then you get the pop bottle. Ember, sit. Nope, that's jump. Hey, sit. You fell, but that doesn't count. Sit. Sit. Hey. Sit. Sit, punk. Milo, sit. Speak. You're a good boy. I don't have any treats, but I'll give you some later. Ember, sit. Sit. Ember, hey. Okay, you want a pop bottle? Here you go. Here you go. Ow! That's my finger. Ember. Oh, you got it. Oh, you ran into me. Ember. Oh, go get it. Go get it. Oh. Ember. Ember. Oh. Get off me. Little monster. Why are you attacking, huh? Bring me your pop bottle. Oh, yeah, you shouldn't have jumped over that, bud. Grass pretty. Okay, you're just gonna sit on me? Jeez, you're fast. You're fast for a puppy. Oh, careful. Careful. I'm trying to fix your ear and you jump into it. Hey, what are you doing?